guys, it's Professor NFT here. So before I get started, like always, this is not financial advice and you should always, and I do mean always, do your own research. Alright, so today I want to talk about some NFTs that I feel bullish on for a flip or to hold. So the first one here is Bored Ape Social Club. These actually went on a run a couple days ago. They were at like 6 or 7 SOL floor price, and now they are at 4.19. So it took quite a dip, but I see it as a perfect buying opportunity right now. I still see potential of this project going up. I am probably gonna buy one as well. From what I know, they got staking going on. You get like 10 BAPE per day, and I'll be showing the price of BAPE right now. But one thing I did like that they mentioned in the Discord and their announcements is they have breeding coming soon. So what breeding is, let me go ahead and show you in the general chat here. So breeding, you pretty much, if you have 2 Gen 1 apes and 500 BAPE, you get a potion. With that potion, you get your Gen 2 NFT for free in 10 days. And you get to keep these 2 apes. So that's pretty cool. So what's BAPE right now? BAPE is at 0.19. So as long as you have that 1 NFT and you're staking, you get up to 10 BAPE per day. So when breeding starts, I'm pretty sure this price here, where's it at? It's gonna go up. That's what I see. So this team is really dedicated to this project as well. They're doxed as well, which is good. Trust me on that. So I'm excited to see where this project goes. If I see the team deliver, I can't wait for the future this project holds. So, but before you go ahead and invest, make sure you invest money you're willing to lose. I'm not saying this project's gonna go downhill or anything, but when it comes to investing, invest money you're not scared to lose. That's the #1 rule for me. All right, so the next NFT I see is Cops Game. So Cops Game, I feel honestly it's just for a quick flip. So let me go ahead and pull it up here on Magic Eden. So they're at 1.69 SOL. So I think like an hour ago they were actually like at 1.45 SOL. But these went on a run too. A couple days ago, they actually went up to 3 SOL or 3.5 SOL. But I guess something happened with their game. I think it was staking and harvesting issues. And then in the Discord, they were having a lot of FUD as well. So let's go ahead and see their Discord here. So if you see on their Discord, they actually implemented a patch to fix the game, to fix some problems in the game. So I think once the game starts working, we're going to see a little pump going on. And that should bring it back to that 3 SOL price that we did see a couple days ago. So if you're trying to make a quick flip right now, best time to buy is probably right now. So when the game starts working, if the game starts working, you could flip it for that 1 SOL. All right, so then I got one more project as well, Desolate. So have you ever heard of Portals? This is pretty much the off-brand of Portals. Let me go ahead and show you what the floor price is right now on Magic Eden. Is at 2.22. I still see this going up. Like I said, it's pretty much like Portals. Let me go ahead and show you here the roadmap. So I like what they're doing with the roadmap. Repository of 3D objects you could add to your planet with 1 click. A minting tool, which is cool. A trading marketplace. A code on your planet. Design a planet contest. And they're actually expanding the multiplayer mode, so that's pretty cool. That's for me, that's a mid hold to a long-term hold. I'm for sure gonna go buy one. I'm just gonna wait till they drop down in price a little bit, if they do. Like I said, let's see. So yeah, 1.69. I'll probably wait till it hits 1.75. But that's all for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. and go ahead and join my Discord. See you guys later.